Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to save contacts to Google account on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Well, by saving a contacts to Google account, users can access and manage their contacts from various devices, including smartphones, tablets, and computers, as long as they are logged into their Google account. Well, here are the steps. First thing first, you have to go to the dialing application on your device. Well, after that, here you can type the phone number you want to save to your Google account. Okay, and then click plus icon at the top here. And then you can select create a new contact. Well, and then to save the phone number to your Google account, you can click the down arrow at the top left corner, and then select your Google account for saving the phone number. Well, after that, enter the name here, and then click save. Okay, and then the contact is successfully saved on your Google account. Well, that's the tutorial on how to save contacts to Google account on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.